Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the fourth session of locus for junior inter students. So our next question is question number 20. Find the equation of locus of a point P if A 4, 0 and B minus 4, 0 and mod of PA minus PB equal to 4. So here given 2 points and condition. So first write let P x comma y be a locus point. Right here given 2 points a 4 comma 0 b minus 4 comma 0 and given one condition mod pa minus pb equal to 4. If we remove mod we get pa minus pb equal to plus or minus 4. So out of these two terms move one term that side we get pb plus or minus 4 plus pb. Now squaring on both sides, so plus square value is plus and minus square value also plus, so plus or minus become plus, squaring on both sides we get pa square is equal to 4 plus pb whole square. So plus or minus become here plus. Now pa square is equal to apply here a plus b whole square we get 4 square plus pb square plus 2 into 4 into pb. So a plus b whole square formula apply here, a square is 4 square and b square is pb square plus 2ab is 2 into 4 into pb. Now it get 2 into 4 is 8. So pa square is equal to 16 plus pb square plus 2 4 is 8 into pb. Now in place of pa square and pb square apply distance formula. So here square is there, so remove square root, we can write the formula. So we get x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 16 plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus 8 pb. Now in place of first distance formula apply pa, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, we get x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 16 plus, next apply the formula b and p. So this is x1 y1. Now x minus of minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 8 pb. We get x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square y square plus 16 minus of minus 4 plus 4 y minus 0 square y square plus 8 pb. Now apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. So here x minus 4 whole square become x square plus 4 square minus 2 into x into 4 plus y square equal to, now here both side y square is there, so cancel this y square term. So y square get cancelled equal to 16 plus here x square plus 4 square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 8 pb. Now we get x square plus 16 minus 8x, x square plus 16 plus 8x plus 8 pb. Now x square get cancelled, 116 get cancelled. So 8 pb is there, remove remaining terms all move this side. So 8x come this side, it become minus 8x and minus 16 equal to 8 pb. Now 8 pb equal to minus 16x minus 16. Now take it as common 8 or minus 8, we get 2x plus 2. Now 8 get cancel, pb equal to minus of 2x plus 2. So again we get PB. Now again squaring on both sides, we remove PB. So again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, so we get squaring on both sides, we get PB square is equal to, here minus is there, minus square is plus. So next we get 2x plus 2 whole square. Minus become plus. Why? Because squaring on both sides. So minus square is minus into minus plus, we get plus. So next 2x plus 2 whole square. Now in place of PB square write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, here apply a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now in place of PB, write this formula, x minus of minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2x whole square means 2 square 4 and x square. 2 square 4 plus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8x. Minus of minus 4 plus 4, y minus 0 square, y square equal to 4x square plus 4 plus 8x. Apply here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus y square equal to 4x square plus 4 plus 8x. Now write here x square 16, 8x plus y square, remove that. So this all terms move this side, we get minus 4 minus 8x equal to 0. So plus 8x, 8x get cancel, we get x square minus 4x square minus 3x square plus y square, 16 minus 4 plus 12 equal to 0. So here minus 3 is there. So take it as common minus, or all this terms move that side, we get 3x square minus y square minus 12 equal to 0. So this is our locus equation. If mod PA minus PB equal to 4, so our locus equation is 3x square minus y square minus 12 equal to 0. So this is our next question. Find the equation of locus of a point P. The sum of whose distance from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6. Means the distance from P to A and the distance from P to B, the sum of whose distances means PA distance plus PB distance is equal to 6. This is the meaning of our question. What is the question? Sum of whose distances from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2. So here A 0 comma 2, B 0 comma minus 2. The sum of whose distances means PA distance plus PB distance sum. Sum means plus. So sum of the distances means PA plus PB is equal to 6. So that is the condition. So first write, let Px comma y be a locus point. And here given 2 points A 0 comma 2, B 0 comma minus 2. So here given condition, sum of whose distances is 6, means PA plus PB equal to 6. So this question same similarly as 19th question. 19th and 21st question both are same. In that question also are given PA plus PB equal to 8. So here also PA plus PB equal to 6. Just points only difference and the value is difference. Both the solution is equal. So same solution apply here. So here also move one term that side, we get 6 minus PB. So squaring on both side, we get PA square is equal to 6 minus PB whole square. Now PA square is equal to, apply here A minus B whole square formula, 6 square plus PB square minus 2 into 6 into PB. So we get PA square is equal to 36 plus PB square minus 12 PB. Now in place of PA square PB square, apply distance formula, we get x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 36 plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 12 PB. Now in place of x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 whole square, apply PA formula. This is x1 y1, P is x2 y2. Now write x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 36 plus, now apply formula P and B. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square minus 12 PB. Now next apply A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square formula. So x minus 0 whole square x square, here y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2, 36. X minus 0 square x square plus minus of minus 2 plus 2, apply here A plus B whole square formula, y square plus 2 square plus 2 into y into 2 minus 12 PB. Now x square y square get cancel, here 2 square also get cancel, we get 2 into 2 4 minus 4y, 36 plus 4y minus 12 PB. So minus 12 PB move this side, it become plus 12 PB equal to 36 plus 4y minus 4y move that side, become plus 4y. So we get 12 PB equal to 4y plus 4y, 8y plus 36. So take it as common here 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 into 9, 4 into 9, 36. So 4 3 is 12, we get 3 PB equal to 2y plus 9. So again squaring on both sides, we get 3 square PB square is equal to 2y plus 9 whole square. Now 3 square value 9 into, in place of PB square write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 2y plus 9 whole square, A plus B whole square, 2y whole square plus 9 square plus 2 into 2y into 9. Now in place of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, apply PB formula, we get 9 into x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 plus excuse me, y plus 2 whole square is equal to 2y whole square, 2 square 4 and y square 9 square 81 into 2 to the 4, 4 into 9 36y. Now x minus 0 square x square plus, apply here A plus B whole square formula, y square plus 2 square 2 into y into 2, 4y square plus 81 plus 36y. Now 9 into x square y square, 2 to the 4 into y, 4y plus 4, 4y square plus 81, 36y. Now 9 multiply each and every time, we get 9x square 9y square 9 4s are 36y 9 4s are 36. So move all term this side, minus 4y square minus 81 minus 36y equal to 0. So plus 36y minus 36y get cancelled. 9x square plus 9y square minus 4y square we get 5y square. 36 minus 81 we get 45 minus 45 equal to 0. So this is our locus equation. So plus 36 minus 81 we get minus 45. So our locus equation is 9x square plus 5y square minus 45 equal to 0. So this is the last question of this chapter. So next question number 22. Find the equation of locus of a point P. The difference of whose distance from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8, means the distance from P to A and P to B difference means minus, means PA minus PB equal to given 8. So this is our condition. So sum means plus, difference means minus. So first write, let Px comma y be a locus point. So here given 2 points, A minus 5 comma 0 and B 5 comma 0. So condition is the difference of whose distances, means PA distance PB distance difference is equal to 8. So it is similar to 20. Question number 20 and 22 both are similar. So just values are different. So out of one term move that side, we get PA is equal to 8 plus PB. So squaring on both sides, we get PA square is equal to 8 plus PB whole square. Now PA square is equal to, apply here A plus B whole square, 8 square plus 2 into 8 into PB. Now PA square equal to 8 square 64 plus PB square plus 2 8 is 16 PB. Right, in place of PA square PB square, write a distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 64 plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus 16 PB. Right, here apply formula for P and A. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We get x minus of minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 64 plus, now apply the formula P and B. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We get x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square 16 PB. So minus of minus 5 plus 5, y minus 0 square y square equal to 64 plus x minus 5 whole square plus y square plus 16 PB. So both side y square get cancelled. Next apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula. So x plus 5 whole square is equal to x square plus 5 square plus 2 into x into 5, 64 plus 5 square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 16 PB. X square plus 25 plus 2 5 is 10 into x, 10x equal to 64 plus x square plus 25 minus 10x plus 16 PB. Now both sides same term cancel, x square get cancelled, 25 get cancelled. So 16 PB is minus 10x and 64 move this side, we get 10x plus 10x minus 64 equal to 16 PB. So 10x plus 10x, 20x minus 64 equal to 16 PB. Now 16 PB equal to, take it as common here 4, we get 5x minus 16. 4 5s are 20 and 16 4s are 64. Now 4 4s are 16, we get 4 PB equal to 5x minus 16. So again squaring on both sides, so we get the locus equation, right. Four PB equal to 5x minus 16. So again squaring on both sides, we get 4 square into PB square is equal to 5x minus 16 whole square. So 16 into x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to, here apply a minus b whole square, 5x square plus 16 square minus 2 into 5x into 16. Now 16 into, so that is PB square, so already apply here. So x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 5 square 25x square, 16 16 ja 256, 2 into 5 10 into 16 160x. Now 16 into x square plus 5 square plus 2 into x into 5 plus y minus 0 whole square y square equal to 25x square plus 256 minus 160x. Now 16 into x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square equal to 25x square plus 256 minus 160x. Now 16 multiply each and every term, we get 16x square plus 25 into 16 400 minus 160x plus 16 y square. So this all terms move this side, 25x square become minus 25x square minus 256x plus 160x equal to 0. So plus 160x minus 160x get cancelled, 16x square minus 25x square. So here we get minus 9x square and 16y square. 400 minus 256, here 400 is there, here 256 is there. 400 minus 256, so 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4, here 2, 3 minus 2 1, we get plus 144. Why? Because plus 400. So we get minus 9x square plus 16y square plus 144 equal to 0. So this all term move that side, we get 9x square minus 16y square minus 144 equal to 0. So this is our locus equation. So our locus equation is 9x square minus 16y square minus 144 equal to 0. So today's session is completed and this chapter also completed. So this is total solutions of locus. So if you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.